Today we are diving into something super exciting, VLC Media Player. Did you know that VLC started as an academic project and has now become the biggest open source media player in the world? But here is the thing, VLC is way more than just a media player. It's packed with powerful features that let you convert media files, take snapshots, add watermarks, record your screen and so much more. Exploring all of VLC's hidden features could fill an entire wiki, which it actually does. But instead of digging through all that technical stuff, I have gathered 10 of the best VLC tricks you probably never knew existed. So let's jump right into it. The first one is to convert any media file into any format. Did you know that VLC can convert your media files into various formats? Just open your VLC and then click on Media. From the drop-down list, click on Convert or Save. Now click on Add. Browse and select the file that you want to convert. Now head down and then click Convert or Save again. Then go ahead and choose your preferred format from the list, which is under the drop down. There are a lot of video formats you can choose, so I'll just go with Video for YouTube HD. You can also use a preset or customize the settings for more control. Just click on the settings icon. Then from here you can continue with the customization. You can choose the video format. Once you are done with the customization, click on Save and then select a destination folder. Go ahead and name your converted file. Once you are done, click on Start. VLC shows the conversion progress in real time on its timeline. The second feature is to record a playing video or audio. Want to capture a snippet of a video or audio file playing in VLC? Go to View on the toolbar and then click on Advanced Controls. This will enable extra buttons. While playing a video, click the record button to start recording and then click it again to stop it. Recordings are saved in the videos folder, which is for videos. For Mac users, use the shortcut Command plus Alt plus R instead. On to the next feature. Now for the third feature, you can record your screen using VLC. VLC can act as a screen recorder and capture your desktop. Launch your VLC and then click on Media. Then you choose Convert or Save. Head to the Capture Device tab and then click on it. Under Capture Mode, click on it and then choose Desktop from the drop down. Now enter your preferred FPS. Once you are done, click on Convert or Save. Choose the file format or choose your preferred file format. You can also click on the settings icon for more settings. Once you are done, click on Save. Now set a destination folder for the file and then give the file a name. Once you are done, click on Start to begin the screen recording. To stop the recording, just right-click on the VLC and then click on Stop from the pop-up list. This is perfect for creating a tutorial or recording gameplay. Now on to the next feature. You can use VLC as a webcam recorder too. Just click on the media after launching VLC and then click on Open Capture Device. Under Capture Mode, make sure it's set to Direct Show. Under Device Selection, choose your video device name and then do same for the audio as well. Once you are done, after making these settings, click on Play to start recording. This feature is perfect for creating vlogs, video messages or recording live streams. For this next feature, you can rip a DVD to your PC. Want to convert DVDs into digital files? VLC can do that. After launching VLC, click on Media and then click on Convert or Save. Then click on the Disk tab. Under Disk Selection, choose the DVD type and then uncheck No Disk menus. Now go ahead and select the correct disk device and then click on Convert or Save. Choose a format and then file destination as well. Once you are done, you click on Start. This is perfect for backing up DVDs or watching them without a disk drive. For this feature, you can apply video and audio effects. VLC isn't just for playback, it also lets you edit and enhance videos. To do this, click on the Tools tab and then click on Effects and Filters. From here, you can click on the Video Effect tab. This can help you adjust colors, contrast, brightness or even rotate videos. And under Audio Effects, you can use the equalizer to fine-tune your audio. Bonus tip, you can add live filters and effects while watching a movie as well. Want to add a logo or text watermark to your videos? Go to Tools and then click on Effects and Filters. Now, click on the Video Effect tab and then click on Overlay. You can add a logo by clicking or checking the box for Add Logo. Then you click on the three dots to select the watermark. You can also add a custom text by checking the box for Add Text and then typing in whatever you want. To save the video with the watermark, use VLC's recording feature. Great for branding your videos without needing any professional editor. Now, this feature allows you to take a screenshot of any video. Need to capture a frame from a video? Use this shortcut. For Windows or Linux, press Shift plus S. And for Mac users, press Command plus Alt plus S. Screenshots are saved in your Pictures folder. Want to save a specific part of a video to rewatch later? Click on Playback and then click on Custom Bookmarks. Now click on Manage. Go ahead and then click on Create while playing the video at the part you want to save. Now you can return to your saved bookmarks anytime. Perfect for replaying lectures, tutorials or favorite movie scenes. Now on to the last feature. Need to speed up or slow down a video or podcast? Press the close bracket to increase speed by 0.1 per press. And then press open bracket to slow it down. On Mac, use the playback slider for speed control. Perfect for podcasts, audiobooks or speeding through lectures. And that's it. These VLC tricks will help you unlock the full potential of VLC Media Player. It's not just a media player, it's a powerful tool packed with features. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and then subscribe for more awesome tech tips from iTech Studios. Have a favorite VLC trick? Share it in the comments below. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.